Another problem in blind 75 series. So this problem is contains duplicate. This is a very easy problem. Given an integer array nums, we need to return true if there is any value in the array which are coming at least twice. Okay, then we need to return true, otherwise we need to return false. So for example, here 1 2 3 1 is coming twice, right? So there is a duplicate, so we need to return true. Here there is no duplicate, 1 2 3 4, so it is returning false. For this example, there are multiple duplicates like 1 3 4 2, so we are just returning true. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So let me just make it JavaScript. We can solve in three ways. So the basic approach is like brute force. If we can start from element 1 and check among all other numbers whether these numbers have 1 or not. Okay, then we can say basically it has duplicate or not. So this is going to take O of n square. Look at the constraint also. Okay, so here you can see that num's length is 10 power 5. So basically if I say n to the n square, okay, so this is going to be 10 power 5 power 2, which is going to be 10 power 10, and this is greater than 10 power 9, right? And you need to basically remember this. If any program that need to be run within a second, it has to do maximum 10 power 9 operations. Otherwise this problem will give you TLE, time limit exceeded error. Okay, so this is going to be greater than 1 second. So let me try with this approach, the brute force, and see if it is giving TLE or not. Okay, so we have stored the array length, and let I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, let j equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. Okay, we basically have to start from the I plus 1, right? If we are this is my I, then I'll have to check from I plus 1 to the rest of the array element, and the first loop need to only run from till n minus 1 element, not the complete n element. Okay, so we can make it here n minus 1, and we just need to see if nums of I equal to nums of j. If it is, then we can just return true, otherwise it return false. So let's see by running this. Okay, so the test cases are accepted. Let's see how the submit goes. It should not be accepting it. Yeah, you can see. So we have seen another use case where it was accepting earlier, but it is giving time limit exceeded. If we go by sorting, then it will take n log n, and there should not be any issue, like 10 power 5 to log 10 power 5, this will give you 5 log 10 power 5. So this is lower than 10 power 9, so it will be acceptable using the map. So this will take order n time, and space as order of n. For the sorting part, for example, let's say if the input was 6 1 2 3 5, okay, and 1. Once you do the sorting, it will give you 1 1 2 3 5 and 6. So all the sorted, all the duplicate element will be together. You can just check nums of I equal to nums of I plus 1. Okay, if anywhere it is matching, then you can basically say this is your answer. Okay, then you can just return true. This is brute force solution. So again we can just copy this one, okay, and we can sort it. In Java you can do, in JavaScript you can do like this. The comparator, you can pass a comparator callback into the sort function, and you can return a minus b. It will sort in the ascending order. Okay, now the nums array is sorted. Now you can just take this loop, and you can just check nums of I equal to, again you have to loop through the n minus 1 element, because otherwise you need to just check for the element validity, because I plus 1 will be giving you the array index of bound exception. So if this is there, then we can just return true, otherwise return false. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, and submitting it. Yeah, you can see this will basically, if we resubmit it, it will still work. Yeah, so this is the sorting solution. Now let's see the hash map solution. I'm just copying it. So we need to keep a map here. Map will basically store the element, and whenever we process a new element, we just check whether we have encountered this element before or not through the map, and if it is, then we can say we have a duplicate. Okay, so here we are saying if map of nums of I, if map of nums of I is already present, then we can return true. Else map nums I, we can just put into the map. So let me just run it. Yeah, and now submission would give me the better solution than, yeah, it is almost half, right? 138 millisecond, but the sorting was 273 seconds. It is taking the space complexity, but it is fine with us, right? Because we are reducing the time. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any doubt, you can comment it, and please share, subscribe, and encourage me to basically make more such videos. Thank you so much.